Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with this video about how to maximize your Ibotta savings and also how I prepare for an Ibotta haul. These kind of go hand in hand. The more prepared you are, the better you're gonna do. So yeah, that is important. And I got this question. This is a really good question. I got this video suggestion from, I hope I am not mispronouncing your name. Keela LaFair. Anyways, they asked, can you do a video on how to maximize your earnings on Ibotta? So I thought I'd go ahead and go through what I do to maximize earnings on Ibotta and how I make the most. So keep in mind, I pretty much only use Ibotta at Walmart and Kroger. I don't really, occasionally Rite Aid, but I know some people who do CVS and Target and all these other places can really score big with Ibotta. So my earnings are typically just from Kroger and Walmart, and I earn usually on most months close to $200 on that app, 150, 200, somewhere in that range, just with Ibotta. Sometimes it's a little less. Not all months are amazing, but this month for October, I've earned 150, 258, and the month's not even over yet, and there are still bonuses that I gotta go and hit. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna hit these bonuses. It's a crazy month on Ibotta. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I do it and some tips I have for you, and also I'll go through how I prepare to give you the most how it works. Tip number one, if you see a deal that is a freebie, just anything that's free, because Ibotta loves to just give us free stuff. They really do, just rebates to come in and get it for free. Or if it's just a crazy good deal on something you use, grab it. Grab it anyways. Because don't discount it. I know a lot of times we wait for a bonus to get stuff. And if it's a freebie, odds are it's probably not going to last very long. So I wouldn't hold out for a bonus if it's a freebie or a crazy good deal on something you use. If it's a freebie that you can't use, you can always donate it. That's a really good thing to do. So other items may not be free, but the best time to grab these is when there is a bonus. And Ibotta loves to do bonus offers all the time. So like example, you do 15 rebates, they're going to give you back $2. Now, off the bat, that doesn't sound like a very good deal, but when you start combining coupons and overage from other items and other rebates into the mix, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it, you'll see that these bonuses are amazing, and they're something that we all should be striving to do. So, yeah, I'm going to show you how I organize my trips. Here's what I have heard so many people do. They just will calculate their bonus, like say $2 when you buy 15, and that averages out to like pathetic per item. And they're just like, oh, I'm not going to do it. Now, sometimes if there's not a lot of rebates and really good deals going on, I do the same thing. I'm like, oh, I'm not going to do 15 rebates. But if there are some really big money-making rebates going on, then you totally can make this happen. I'm going to show you how you can do that. And I check Ibotta before I even start the Excel sheet, like you'll hear in a second. I just go to Ibotta and go under Walmart. Usually that's the best one, but I'll check Kroger too. And I check under the categories: buy it again, what's hot, not really best value, and then new offers. Those are my favorites. Those are where the best rebates typically are. I also watch a lot of YouTube videos. So if I see a Redding Kimono or a Designer Jen or just anyone who does Walmart, I write that stuff down or I unlock the rebates. And I do Walmart videos every single Thursday, and a lot of times I'll do them on Mondays too if there's new deals. So check my channel out often and you'll find the best Walmart deals. So now I'm going to show you how I do it in Excel. Okay, so as you can tell, I'm in Excel right now. And before I even start with Excel and getting my spreadsheet, like I said, I look all through the rebates and I see, is there a lot of good rebates? And if I determine, oh, yeah, there is a lot of good rebates, then here's what I do. I've looked and seen the bonus. And here's another tip. I know I'm kind of all over the place. This monster cash bonus, $5 back when you do 30 rebates. I originally thought there's no way I'll do this, but over the last week, as I've just gone to the store, not even working towards that bonus, and I've just been grabbing rebates, now I only need 14 offers to get $5 back. And that's something I think I really could do after doing this overage stuff. So what I do is I use Excel. Now, I'm an accounting major, so Excel is like our best friend or whatever. I always am using Excel. Even if you typically don't use Excel, it's pretty simple. I'm just going to revert us back to a typical spreadsheet. It's pretty simple. And you can even write this out on paper if you would prefer that. But Excel's easier for the math. So I set up this spreadsheet, and I always go for the big overage items first. So I heard about this deal from 2 people. This is going on right now, so you could do this. I've not talked about it before. So it's the Glade deal with swag bucks. So how I do it is there's the item. I type in the item first, and I always make this column a little bit bigger because it's, so Glade candles. And it has to be the holiday scents. So you need to specify that on there. How many of them are you buying? That's the next one. So I go up here to B1. I type in quantity. Quantity. Then I type in price in C1. I type in coupon in D1 and tax in E1. And then what I do here is I have my OOP out of pocket, and that's really important, and I'll show you how Excel will calculate that. It's really simple. Then I have my rebate amount, and that gives me, you actually could get more specific. I'm going to do it specific to show you all. Ibotta Savings Star, Checkout 51, and Swag Bucks. Okay, and Swag Bucks. And then net. Bonus count, you don't have to do this many columns, but I just find that it helps me to have this many columns going just to keep my sanity and to see how much in total it's going to spend. So let me show you an example. The Glade candles, the holiday scent. It is, I'm going to get 4 of them. They are $2.98 each at Walmart. That comes to $11.92. I have $2 off in coupons, and my tax, I'm going to do equals. I'm going to go over to cell C2, that's the price, and I'm going to multiply it by 0.725, which is my tax rate. That gives me my tax of 86 cents, and I'm going to bring the decimals down. So I want to know my out-of-pocket. I'm going to do C2 minus D2 plus E2, which is my tax. That gives me $10.78 out-of-pocket price. There is no Ibotta. There is a $1 savings star, and my checkout 51 says I can't do it. I don't know why. So that comes to $1, or $1 coupon. There's swag bucks, and then there's a gift card that I'm actually going to get back of $5. And swag bucks has $12.50 back in points. So I'm going to take my out-of-pocket price. I'm going to deduct out all the rebates that I get back. That makes it a $7.72 moneymaker. Towards my, this isn't in the bonus, so I put 0 because that doesn't count towards the bonus. But now I have an overage of $7.72 to go towards my other items, which is crazy. So now, let me show you what I do with Ibotta. Now I have this huge overage of $7.72 plus the $5 rebate when I hit 14 rebates. So, the Mikey's tortillas. I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of those. They're $3 each at Walmart, so times that by 6. I have no coupons, and it's a food item, so we have no taxes. My out-of-pocket, and you don't have to type that formula every time. Just click up here, drag the fill handle down, and it's $6 out-of-pocket. I'm so sorry if you don't know Excel. This is just how it works for me and how I prep. So $6 back on Ibotta, no savings star, no checkout 51, no gift cards, no swag bucks. So we're at a net cost. Oh, that's right. I gotta correct that. We're at a net cost of 0. This is an item towards the bonus. And now we do have to update the running total to 7 to add this to this. So you're still making $7.72. Let's say you want to grab that Annie's mac and cheese. That is on sale right now. And I will when I do this bonus on Monday. I have 2 25-cent coupons. There's no tax since it's a food item. Drag down my out-of-pocket. I have a $1 Ibotta rebate. No savings star. No checkout 51. No gift card. No swag bucks. And it makes it a net cost of 98 cents. That is the second rebate towards my bonus count, and my new running total is still negative 674. Let me give you just a couple more examples here of how I do it, and I hope this makes sense. But this is how I really do it. I sit down and I take the time and look at it this way. It takes a lot of planning and work, but if you put in the effort, you're going to walk out with huge results. So let's say I want that children's Zyrtec. that is $3.47. There's that $4 coupon, which I'm not going to be able to get this because I hit my limit so many times, but 25-cent tax. That makes it 28-cent overage out of pocket, and you get $2 from Ibotta, none from Savings Star, none from Checkout 51, none from gift cards, none from Swag Bucks. So make sure your net cost there, $2.28, fourth item for the bonus, which I don't know why that rang as a dollar sign, and now it's a $9.01 overage. So I think y'all get the picture of how I do this. This is how I organize my trips. I just keep doing this till I had 14 rebates. And then when I finally hit the 14 rebates, I would just go make an actual physical list for the store of what I'm getting. And that's how I do it. And I try to keep it as close to zero as I can so I can make money on these bonuses or get it for absolutely free. If it's going to be too much over zero, I don't do it. Don't just do these bonuses just because they're available. And I have seen so many people do that. I'm working towards a bonus. I'm going to pay $3 for something. Don't do that. Only do the bonus if it's worth your while and is going to come out really cheap for you. These bonuses aren't great if it's not a really good deal on stuff that you're going to use or the stuff that's free that you can donate. So yeah, keep that in mind. Don't just do the bonus because you have it, but do it if it actually makes sense for you. I pass up bonuses all the time that aren't any good. But if I'm really close to doing it and hitting it, then it's worth it for me. I really hope this made sense. There's a lot of other great things you can do on there. There's mobile rebates for doing stuff on your phone. There's shopping rebates. There are referral bonuses. There are so many bonuses you need to hit up on Ibotta. It's just so many great rebates that you can do on there. It's amazing. I really hope these tips helped you. If you haven't already signed up for Ibotta, I would really encourage you to reconsider. It's such a great rebate app, and I have a referral code that you'll get back $10. I'm pretty sure it's $5 or $10, but hey, anything's better than nothing. You'll get that back just for using that code. We'll be on the same team, and it helps us both out. So my code for Ibotta is AYJJJR, and also Fetch Rewards is a really great rebate app also. You get back points for just buying items and stuff. It's a really great app. So my referral code for there is C1PNA. So please use those codes and sign up for the rebate apps. So yeah, that is all that I have for now. I hope you enjoyed this and this helped, and thank you so much for watching.